A bench-to-bedside journey sounds really attractive. In other words, you discover a molecule, you test it in a mouse or a cell or something like that, and then the next thing you know, it's on television being given to patients. You need that intermediate space where what we call translational research is done. Our clinical trial center will provide that home.
The main focus of my research currently is COPD, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease.
I have quite a hard time walking up hills, doing stairs.
Excellent, just nice and relaxed.
It isn't a good disease to have.
We challenge patients with the stress of exercise to try and characterize the disease so that we can intervene much earlier.
He mentioned the studies and I thought that'd be a good thing. If not for me, maybe it'll help somebody else in the future.
How would you rate your breathing discomfort? 5? Good. How about your leg discomfort?
But it has really helped me also.
I look at the development of complications in pregnancy and conditions that can be markers of future maternal health. What we do in our clinic, the maternal health clinic, is we bring them back 6 months after delivery and we do cardiovascular screening. And so based on those parameters, we can come up with their individualized risk of future cardiovascular disease. Certainly we can improve mom's health by identifying risk factors and fixing them, but by doing that, we actually may affect the whole family.
Academic hospitals like KGH have a unique role to play in bringing the benefits of basic translational research directly to the patients, from the bench to the bedside.
My clinical speciality is in irregular heartbeats or arrhythmia. The main rhythm problem that we see is something called atrial fibrillation. Not everybody who has heart disease can get atrial fibrillation, but also it can affect people who are otherwise fit and healthy.
Running's been an important part of my life for quite a number of years.
She had problems with her heart rhythm and actually collapsed during a marathon.
It was like walking in quicksand, and I thought if I have to continue this way for the rest of my adult life, that's not good quality of life.
With the type of research that we're doing here and with the equipment that we now have, we were able to cure that with a day-case procedure, and she's back running marathons and is delighted.
And now they call it my bionic heart because I just always seemed so much better. We had a personal record, my running partner and I, just last year.
You can't hold still in research or in academic medicine. You're either constantly changing to get better and to embrace the future and help shape the future, or you're relegated to being a bit player.
Medicine needs to continue to evolve and to get these new therapies, and research is the only way that that would ever occur.
As a clinician, I make a difference for my patients, but as a scientist, I make a difference for everybody's patients.